Hi everyone, hey, I wanted to share some real special information with you. If by some chance you have been trying to get a hold of me through whether it's an email directly to my email address or through kirksmotorrad.com and you have not gotten a response back, please check your spam folder. For some reason, a lot of my emails have been going into the spam. I don't know why, but it is what it is, and I don't know how to get away from that. I don't know what I'm doing that would cause it to go to spam, but check your spam folder. And if it's been quite a while since you've heard from me and you've got, a whole ton of spam in there, do a search in your spam for either Kirk J or Kirk or any of the keywords that might bring you to finding that email. Anyways, I have responded to so many people and I've not gotten responses back from that. So again, check your spam folder, especially if you've been trying to order brake lines or something like that, or you've got a burning question. Anyways, guys, spam folder. Damn the spam. Hope to talk to you soon.